Hello everyone. I have for sale a really nice combination of Thompson Super 10 steel ball bushings, recirculating steel ball bushings, built into a anodized aluminum mounting block, which is adjustable. You can you can adjust the pressure of the bushing into the rod, just tightening or loosening the hex screw. There are four exact same bushings blocks and two large 24 inches hard steel rods. This is hard steel made for steel ball bushings actually. They're 24 inches in length. The rods are 24 inches in length. The diameter of the rods are 5/8. The bushings are what I said. They're all four are Thompson Super 10. The blocks are about 1.5 inches by 1.25 inches. 1.5 by 1.25 inches, and the blocks, the Super 10 bushings are 1.5 inches. They're mounting. They have their secure mount with those the mounting stops right here, and they have threaded holes, fine thread hole for mounting plate. So this will be great to build XZ axis, XZY axis, whatever, many other applications, laser engraver for a, this could be nice for a laser engraver, X-axis, or many other applications which long travel require 24 inches. Well, not 24 inches of travel. It depends the plate you build in top of it. This, depending of the large plate you mounting in here, you have to deduct the size plus the mounting ends. But anyway, there's 24 inches rods, hard steel rods, 5/8 in diameter, with four Thompson Super 10 steel recirculating bolt bushings mounting an anodized aluminum block, which there, what I said again, is adjust the pressure to avoid completely play, and to make very accurate translation. Okay, just $29.99 is what I'm gonna sell the whole thing, and $14 for shipping. It's gonna be 6+ pounds of weight, and it's gonna be $14 through USPS parcel post. I need to make the package for this. $14 for shipping and $29.99 for the set of 2 rods and 4 bushings block mountings. Thank you. I will take some picture as well, and they will for sale pretty soon. Thank you.